everyone, today I am going to review the KVA KV-136 Tubeless Tyre Puncture Repair Kit that I recently purchased from Flipkart. This kit is designed to help fix punctures on tubeless tires and comes with all the necessary tools required to do so. The kit arrived in a well-packaged box, and all the tools were neatly organized inside. The kit includes a T-handle insert tool, T-handle spiral probe tool, lubricant, and a pack of repair plugs. The tools are made of high-quality materials and feel sturdy and durable. Using the kit is very easy, and the instructions provided in the manual are clear and concise. First, you need to locate the puncture on your tire and remove any debris from the area. Then, use the spiral probe tool to make a hole in the punctured area. Next, insert the repair plug into the puncture using the insert tool, and add some lubricant to the plug to help it slide in smoothly. Finally, use the scissors provided to cut off any excess plug material sticking out of the tire. I have used this kit to repair a puncture on my car's tire, and I must say, it did the job pretty well. The repair plug has held up well, and I haven't had any issues with air leakage since the repair. Overall, I am very impressed with the KVA KV-136 Tubeless Tyre Puncture Repair Kit. It is easy to use, effective, and comes with all the necessary tools to fix a punctured tire. If you are looking for a reliable and affordable puncture repair kit for your tubeless tires, I highly recommend giving this kit a try.